Hi friends, welcome to my channel Key to Employability. Today we are going to resume our session of MS Word with Day 4 session. Let's start. Before we start, let me know. So what we have done, it's total security has come. So day 3 we have done these sessions, alignment, along with this indentation, paragraph spacing, line spacing, bullets, numbering, multi-level list, shading, borders, and save the document. These are the things so we have done in day 3 sessions. So let's see whatever the things we are going to do in day 4 sessions. In the day 4 sessions we are going to do 3 things: creation of style group, discussions about style group, then after that creating of style group, then find and replace, then at the end save the document. So let me come to the part of styles group. Okay, so let me open this. So let me open the file. I've opened the last day's file here. So last day we have done up to this much. So as you can see from the home tab, this is the styles group. So what is the importance of the style group? So first of all, let me take 3 paragraphs. I am using rand command. So I am using rand command and taking 3 paragraphs. So I have taken, as you can see, taken 3 paragraphs, make it justified, Control J. So I have made it justified. So suppose I have to make it attractive. So how to make it attractive? Using the font group, using the paragraph group. So these are the 2 groups. By using these things we can make our writing more attractive. So instead of using this individually, so it is quite difficult to use properly bold, properly colored, properly each and everything to make my writings more attractive. Instead of these, so these are the things to be included in these style groups. Each and every writings have its individual and own entity, own shapes. Okay, and these are the things, each and every heading or each and every styles to be included, these group things, font and paragraph. So we need not to choose individual font, individual paragraph. So instead of this, choose any style and that's it. So let me do it. Select this paragraph. So I am going to choose, these are the styles I am going to choose here. So this is showing emphasis. So if you take emphasis, so your style will be like this. So if you choose this one, and then I am going to take this is called strong, and the last one I am going to take it, intense, quiet. So this one, these are the styles, inbuilt style. Okay, these are the predefined styles. So instead of predefined styles, suppose these are the styles we don't, I don't need of this kind of style. I don't like these styles at all. So we need to create. We can create our own style. Okay, so how to create? Let me take a paragraph first. So I'm going to take a paragraph. So we have taken the paragraph. So right now I'm going to use a new style. Click here. From this create style, click here. So I'm going to put here new name, any name. I'm going to put here new. Then I'm going to click here modify. Then use name is new. Style type linked paragraph character. I'm taking its paragraph. Okay. So each and of you can see here it's a formatting tab. You can take here any kind of. So I'm taking it's Ahorani. And it's I'm taking it's 12, it's bold, and its color is this. My favorite color is, I'm taking green, and my format, I can change my format here, font also, paragraph, tab, border, each and everything you can set. Instead of going these tabs, I am going to prefer after this creating this new style, it will be appearing here. So select this paragraph, you can click here. Otherwise we can set any shortcut key. If we click here shortcut key, already a shortcut key it is taken, so I am going to remove. So there is a shortcut key place. Shortcut key can be assigned by pressing control, by holding control, or by holding alt, press another shortcut key. So I am taking control alt 1. I am taking alt 1. So it is unassigned. So take always a kind of shortcut key. That suppose I am taking control S. See here, it is file shape. It is currently assigned to file shape. So I am not going to take that kind of shortcut key that is already currently assigned. So I am going to take a shortcut key that is not currently assigned. So I am going to take alt 1. So it is, so see here, it is unassigned showing here. So I am going to assign here and close it. So okay. So now how much time you will be taking the paragraph, and you can use your shortcut key by pressing alt 1. I am pressing alt 1. Otherwise, yes, you can see my style has come up. Otherwise you can click here, as you can see, right? So after this you can delete this. How to delete this? So click here, so it is appearing here. So from this drop down list, so you can delete new. If you click here, it will be deleted permanently. So see here, so this is the way we can create a new style. Next one, so we have created a new style. You discussed about the styles group. Then find and replace. It is the most important thing, find and replace. Suppose we need to find some word or letter from the whole paragraph, from the whole document. So it is very difficult. Suppose you are assigned to find out the word called video. So it is very difficult to find out like this. Find out like this. It is very much difficult to find out video word. So I am not going to find out the video word. So I am just going to use a trick here. So home tab, editing, and click here find, or click here, or you can use a shortcut key control F. So it will be coming here. So I am going to put here VI. So whatever, how many times you will be putting VI, one by one it is it is showing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times it is highlighted. So this is how it is very easy to highlight or to find out your words. Okay, now this is the word you are finding, right? So now my task is that I want to replace these words with another word. How to replace? So you can click here replace. First you close it, then click here replace. Otherwise you can press Ctrl H. So replace. So replace window will appear here. So find word, you can put the word that is to be replaced. So I am putting here video and replaced with audio. So once you put here audio, so you can play, there are 4 options you can see here: replace, replace all, find next, and cancel. So if you click here replace, so one by one 8 replacement will be done. If you click here all the replacement at a time you want, so if you click here replace all, so boom, so it will be. So see here we made 8 replacement at a time. So it's very nice. So now if you are finding Control A, if you are finding video words, so no more video words you'll be finding. If you put here audio words, so it will be showing here many more audios. So previously some audio words are in my document, that's why including that audio words, these audio words are already replaced. Okay, so this is the way we can do it. Lastly but not the we are going to save it. So I'm going to save it. So I'm going to close the document. So hope you understood my video session. If you are having any query, you can ask me through the comment box. I'll be replying. Okay, relating to my video, you will get a video link, description box. You will get a PDF link. You can download the PDF file for your betterment and practice do it at home. Thank you.